Hello guys, today it's August the 30th, 2021, which is Monday early morning. We're coming from Victoria all the way to Vancouver, British Columbia here in Canada. So the travel time from Victoria to Vancouver is an hour and a half via coastal celebration. Yeah, but there's some companies running, right?
It's only one company. It's BC Ferries.
Okay, so
The-
this is the one we talked
Yeah,
from the
it's
last
run
time.
by the provincial government of
Okay,
British Columbia.
yeah, it's very cheap, not too bad. We took the car from Vancouver to Victoria, Victoria to Vancouver.
The car is on the boat.
Yeah, the car is on the boat. Anyway, guys, so this is the Vancouver Island. It's beautiful, Vancouver.
Later, we'll explore Vancouver. We'll go to Queen Elizabeth Park, to Stanley Park, downtown.
And the Rockwell.